Hello guys, my name is IFL. Today I'll be taking you guys through what is snoring and how snoring affects our sleeping, and also the practical tips on how to stop snoring. So first, struggling with snoring that is ruining your sleep, you are not alone. Snoring doesn't just disrupt your rest, it can seriously impact your health. But don't worry, I've got some quick and easy tips that could help you and your loved ones sleep peacefully again. Stick around to discover proven solutions, including the one that might surprise you. Stay tuned because toward the end of this video, I'm going to share a simple, often overlooked tip that could make a huge difference in stopping snoring, especially if you have tried everything else. Alright, why snoring happens? Why snoring happens? Snoring occurs when air flows through the nose and throat is partially blocked during sleep, causing the surrounding tissues to vibrate. So, what are the common causes of snoring? The common causes of snoring include sleep position. So, sleep position, sleeping on your back. Alright, so what are the common causes of snoring include? First, we have nasal congestion, your nose. So, allergies or cold can block nasal passage. So, the second one is sleep position. Sleeping on your back can cause your tongue and soft palate to collapse to the back of your throat. So, third, we have excess weight. Extra tissues around the neck can restrict airflow. So, the fifth one, we have alcohol or sedatives. These relax throat muscles, making snoring more likely. So, the sixth, we have sleep apnea, a serious condition where breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep. So, understanding these causes help us to target the right solution. So, you understanding what causes your snoring now will now lead us to the practical solution. So, I'll be listing the lifestyle changes to reduce snoring. So, what are the lifestyle changes to reduce snoring? One, we have lose weight. Excess weight, especially around the neck, can narrow the airway, making snoring more likely. If losing even a small amount of weight can reduce snoring. So, the second one is avoid alcohol before bed. Alcohol relaxes the throat muscles, which increases the chances of snoring. So, try to avoid alcohol at least 3 to 4 hours before sleeping. So, the third one, we have changed sleep position. Sleeping on your back can cause the tongue and soft palate to block the airway. So, try sleeping on your side to keep the airway open and reduce snoring. So, the fifth one, we have maintain a regular sleep schedule. You need to maintain a regular sleep schedule. Inconsistent sleep can lead to a deeper, more relaxed sleep that makes snoring worse. So stick to a regular schedule to avoid this. So the seventh one we have quit smoking. Also, smoking leads to snoring too. So quit smoking. Smoking irritates the throat, leading to inflammation and increased snoring. Reducing or quitting smoking can make a big difference. Yes, you can reduce it. When you're addicted to something, it's not something you can stop once. You'll be living it little by little. So you can reduce your smoking or quitting it. But anyone can make a big differences. So these changes not only reduce snoring but also improve overall sleep quality. So we now move to home remedies and devices to reduce snoring. So what are the home remedies and devices to reduce snoring? One, we have sleep on your side. just have have stated around the lifestyle to reduce snoring. We have sleep on your side. This simple change can help keep your airway open, reducing the likelihood of snoring. So you can use a body pillow or place a tennis ball in the back of your pajama shirt to prevent rolling onto your back. So the second one, we have use nasal strip. So over-the-counter nasal spray or dilators can help keep your nasal passages open, making it easier to breathe and reducing snoring caused by nasal congestion. So the third one, you have keep the air humidified. Dry air can irritate the tissue in your nose and throat. So worsening snoring, using a humidifier in your bedroom can add moisture to the air and help reduce snoring. So the fourth one, elevate your head. Raising the head of your bed or using an extra pillow can reduce airway obstruction and ease breathing, which may help reduce snoring. So the fifth one is mouth guard or anti-snoring devices. Specially designed mouth guard help keep your airways open by positioning the lower jaw or tongue in a way that reduces snoring. So these are available over the counter or through a dentist. So these remedies and devices are easy to implement and can lead to noticeable improvements in snoring and quality sleep. So the next one is when to seek medical advice. So it is important to consult a doctor if snoring is severe, like chronic, or accompanied by other symptoms like loud snoring. If the snoring is extremely If the snoring is extremely loud and disruptive, it may indicate a more serious condition like sleeping apnea. So, pauses in breathing. The second one is pauses in breathing during sleep. If you or someone else notice that you stop breathing for brief period during sleep, this is a major red flag for sleeping apnea. So, the third one is excessive daytime sleepiness. Constant fatigue or difficulty staying awake during the day could indicate that your snoring is affecting the quality of your sleep. So the fifth one is choking or gasping during sleep. These are signs that your airways is getting blocked, which may require medical treatment. So if these symptoms occur, a doctor may recommend a sleep study or solution like therapy, continuous positive airway pressure forward for sleeping apnea, which can significantly improve your health and your overall sleeping quality. So, conclusion, to sum up, snoring can often be reduced with simple lifestyle changes, home remedies, and devices. But it is severe, don't but if it is severe, don't hesitate to seek medical advice. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. And I would love to hear from you. Share your experiences with snoring or any remedies that work for you in the comment below. So also don't forget to check the description for a free downloadable teach sheet with more ways to stop snoring. So thanks for watching and here's to better sleep. See you.